Under the Hill. This is an allegory about the consequences of greed. It's an environmental story, but a child-centric story about what we're doing to the planet with our greed. High on a hill where the green bush grew, down in the deep rock dark and blue, down in the deep rock snug and still, something slumbered under the hill. Out from the city where the grey smoke blew, out on the black road 2 by 2, out on the black road side by side, juggernauts, juggernauts, loud and wide. Dozers, loaders, diggers too, tore and dug and spat and blew. They dug the rock where snug and still, something slumbered under the hill. The rock was hard, the rock was old, the rock was guarding precious gold. They stole the hilltop day by day, they took the gold and drove away. Out from the shadow of the broken hill, out from the debris damp and chill, something struggled cross and cold, hungry for the stolen gold. Folk asleep within their beds woke to find a grinning head, munching bracelets, chomping rings, eating every golden thing. Then people walking in the street were kissed by something small and sweet, and though they quickly hurried on, they found their golden teeth were gone. Divers on a sunken wreck, pushing through a broken deck, found a casket in the hold, a treasure chest of Spanish gold. It's full, the divers cried. Pull it up, there's gold inside. But when they brought it to the boat, they found instead a thank you note. The creature stole the golden paint from church and mosque and noble saint, and every crown from every king, every ornamental thing. Bankers came from every town, their tempers up, their profits down. They met for days and told their fears to architects and engineers. Build a fortress, build a vault, safe from air and ground assault. Build it strong, build it stout. Keep that wretched creature out. The gates were barred by men-at-arms, dogs and tanks and loud alarms. The bankers laughed, our vault is strong, he can't get in, but they were wrong. The creature met with diplomats to hear their diplomatic chats. Our world is dull, our world is black, give our golden beauty back. The creature said, of course I will, if you can mend my broken hill. Her trees are dead, her ground is black, give my hill her beauty back. We will, the people cried, and from the city side by side, every kind of great machine came to build and mend and clean. But all their labor, all their skill, could not repair the broken hill. Never mind, the people said, we'll build a plastic hill instead. The hill was made in 7 days and fireworks were set ablaze. They called the creature back to see how beautiful a hill could be. The hill was plastic, every part, shining face and hollow heart. The ground was cold, the air was still, nothing moved within the hill. Beautiful, the creature cried. My hill was beautiful inside. Keep your hill, the deal is dead. I'll keep your precious gold instead. One man answered, soft and hit chill, then we will level every hill, every mountain, every mound, every lump of bumpy ground, rock to rubble, stone to sand, every hill in every land, every one till none remains, we will have our gold again. The creature sighed, then follow me, come and set your beauty free. And all the kings and diplomats followed like a tide of rats. They came to a hill where the white smoke blew, where the wind was hot and the green bush grew. And there beneath the silent sky, the golden creature said goodbye. Down he fell, down he tumbled, down where molten fire rumbled, down through flame and fire bright, down to set the world alight. The mountain roared and tore apart, giving up her golden heart. And dancing in the golden rain, the crowd began to laugh again. Catch the gold, the people cried. How they scampered, how they tried. They ran, they danced, they couldn't stop. They tried to capture every drop. One small child refused to play. She shook her head and turned away. It wasn't right. It wasn't fun. She wouldn't catch a single one. But then she bent to pick one up and found a simple buttercup, a simple stem, a simple head. Beautiful, the child said. High on a hill where the buttercups grow, down where the rock has a golden glow, down in the deep rock, snug and still, something slumbers under the hill. A book about hope, hope that we can turn the tide if the children follow their hearts.